kose fitness ya tsogoleri, it's an issue. Nani naso kale pa. It's an, and I want him to understand. Kuti asatseke pakamwa anthu chifona kuti ali ni platform uyona kuzokatira nkula umatani ndiye kuti ife tisanene. He wants to be president of this country. Therefore, he must be subjected to scrutiny. And his major weakness, among the many weaknesses, is that he is not fit. What happened on Saturday? Because he's not fit. He's old. In the morning, he couldn't go to Mount Sochi to launch the manifesto because he was still resting. And nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't do that. You let him or her sleep, rest. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, mwapasati, mwapasajagulia, asamba, mwapasajagulia, akarapa konde, agona pa kuta, tumatiane Koragona, basajija zinkane mele. Poko, ana inu, ifeti matele, iwe upanga zwala kwa, chat, bas, nimena makari agoko. Simazu sama maudi, azika kukirechido azika pangalonji manifesto, kabena azibira kumunda, kabena azibira kuofesi, kabena azibira kutukutukosi. Sisi mateka. So that's why he didn't go. He's not fit. Later on, anabera bansokano. It was the boss. So Zorna Kuti, it was a security issue. Nanabera if it was a security issue. One other thing that I need to say is, Antwa DBB, as a morning at Malawi, than Hobusa. Ali free Ugamba, Jesus Sibina Kuzogamba, Komazale Megeza Malawi. Azale Megeza. Akozone na kuti ena kunena kuti aife tilibe chifukwa pita tikavurire mweyo olara kauri ali pa stretcher ife tikavurire mweyo. That's fine. That's what they want. But what about the majority? If I'm not saying nobody's going to vote for Peter Mutharika. Other people are going to vote for him. But it's not right. Because mutuyo tikumubweteka. Sainira ukhala kuti azigwira ntchito zolimba. Naona wina analemba comment azina kuti Peter Mutharika, although he's odd, he was very articulate. And I was laughing. Because if you go if there's something that doesn't get weak in Bagama, I go now, I will run the whole day. Can I go? I will pass the Marangiso, I would Dani, I would, it doesn't mean my gogo Salankula, Kabena Sama, Samava. But you watch, now go. That's why he can't hear. Not that the one is true, he can't hear, he can't walk. That's why he was unable to disembark Galimoto, could have been able to Sanja Manga. It's because he's old, he didn't feel like doing it. Or say, I'm only slightly comfortable. I mean, only got slightly comfortable. I walk, something going to happen. Maybe he's going to fall down, maybe he's going to say, I'm tired, I want to sit down. And that is an embarrassment to the electorate, because the electorate is like fulfilling what I'm saying. Ikapita manifesto, substantive issues manifesto. That manifesto is not original. What DP has done is simply to manifesto MCP, follow, I'll give you an example. This is zona, so this is zona. Civil servants. We know the MCP has been building manyumba ama security organizations, the army, MDF, police, prison. I think even immigration, right?
Yes.
Even immigration. Awa mangira manyumba. What does the DP say? How do we counter this? Timanga manyumba ama civil servants also. Exactly possible civil service source. Do you know how many people mu civil service? What they did is simply buy the houses that was built, including Peter Mutharika himself. Bought a cheap house. He bought a house that was built by former governments. Them as DPP have never built anything in this country. All they did is just to come back and sack everything that was built. Today, as an Amazon, if I did Mangan University, Zona Mangan massive service Akuti, Amayakhula. And who told them good civil service among you Manum? I don't know about different to Manumba opposite. Maybe it makes sense. Apart from security, if it is all yes, opposite. Kaya another, profession. Kaya organization bada. Tizoji Manyumba 400 organization bada. Sigana vacant. Why? They want to do better, Abange, and say MCP, which is laughable. It's fantasy. ana zambirimbiri zotu ukamaziona zoti za fantasy zenizeni. Constituency Development Fund, MCP is saying 500 million, right? From 250. Chawanaitenga kutali uko. And they are realistic, MCP. 500 itakuteka. What are they saying? 5 billion. Now that 5 billion, Mwabangara MC, my constituency now they will be 220 something, 229. So it's becoming trillion.
1.2 trillion.
Trillion. That's almost half of the budget. Ngadi budget half. It's a bit of constituency. Kodi masifu seven simuzalipira zibada simuzafuna ndalama zimankhwala mafuta oti anthu aziendera magamero simuzagula nthawi zonse zizokera kuti again kungopanga times wadeleze yovu ulembera manifesto ati amagalasi ndo amalemba ndo amalemba magalasi he's a lazy person. He didn't even think there's no need. Anangopira ku MC manifesto papa titenge ichi tingopanga times kachani kaya which is crookedness. It's crookedness. There's no originality. It's a fantasy. My story amene anthu amauza ana udagone. Otherwise the reality is their manifesto is nonsensical. Palibe chimene chingachitike ni mabodza okhaokha amalawa salvere zimenezo. Mwina ndiyimire bomba ndipasimu ayanzanga alankulekoso.
Mvula tinayamba nkhani kuti ya Mutharika sanapezeke ku launch komanso